which is the capital of Uttarakhand. As we know that Dehradun is a beautiful dune valley. Here a lot of beautiful locations we have surrounding Shivalik and Himalayan mountains range. Here are good atmosphere for study. As we know that Dehradun is education hub. Many professional and educational training centers are situated here also. One of them, Himalayan Institute of Pharmacy and Research College, is situated Rajawala Road, Dehradun. The college campus of this institute are situated 24 km from Clock Tower. Himalayan Institute of Pharmacy and Research approved by AICTE, PCI and Ministry of HRD Government of India. This institute affiliated to Uttarakhand Technical University, H.N.B. Garwar Central University Srinagar and Shridev Suman University Tiri. Himalayan Institute of Pharmacy and Research, established in the year 2006 under auspices of Azad Education Society. This institute campus has good infrastructure, computer facility, modern laboratories, seminar halls and well-stocked library. Dr. Divya Joyal is very experienced director of this institute.
I am Dr. Divya Joyal, Director of Himalayan Institute of Pharmacy and Research.
Himalayan Institute of Pharmacy and Research indicates about fast and increasing demand of pharmacy, life science and management graduates in industry like marketing, teaching and research. The faculty are well qualified and experienced according to the norms of AICTE. Faculty is involved with the greater role in academic administration and direction of research.
Here in HIPR, our mission is to give the quality technical education in pharmacy, life sciences, etc.
It generally have a broad huge of industrial academic experience. We also organize some other events. We have a prolonged research experience and faculties and academic students and scholars. They are engaged in various research and other activities and also associated with some novel cause within NGOs.
Transforming dreams into reality by providing the quality education to the children in the various fields like agriculture, pharmacy, life sciences and management.
We always welcome students who want to perform some research activities or who want to do masters in pharmacology, because if they want to make their career in pharmacology, and they are always welcome here in Himalayan Institute. We provide them good support, good research facilities, and we ensure their good career in this particular field.
The institute lays great emphasis on the discipline in learning and behavior.
I'm Richa Joshi. The college has been situated in a well environment and a peaceful environment is there. Appropriate laboratories have been provided. Different branches like pharmaceutics, medicinal chemistry, pharmacology, they have been provided well equipped.
Hello everyone, I am Diksha Vyapa. This college is located in a peaceful environment and the surroundings are so clean and calm so that the students could easily concentrate on their studies and there is nothing to distract them.
Here many important courses running by Himalayan Institute of Pharmacy and Research like B Pharma, M Pharma, which is approved by PCI and affiliated to Uttarakhand Technical University. BBA is approved by H.N.B. Garwar Central University, Srinagar. BSc Agriculture, BSc Forestry, BSc Biotech, BSc CBZ and BCom is affiliated to Shridev Suman University. The institute has a well-equipped pharmacy lab with latest equipment. The institute has a well-stocked library with multimedia facility. The library contains collection of reference books, including dictionaries, encyclopedias, handbooks, proceedings, etc. Separate hostel facility available for boys and girls. The rooms are spacious and well furnished.
Myself Manish Lodi, and I am the student of HIPR institution, and I am very proud to be the part of this institution. The hostel facility is very great, and I'm very thankful to this institution that I've become the part of this institution.
For sports, indoor games and outdoor games facility is also available in college campus. The institute pay attention to keep the hostel environment hygienic and pollution free. Provides ample transport service to all major locations from the city and outdoor. The institute have their own fleet of buses for providing smooth and comfortable conveyance facilities to students. The institute provides canteen facilities for refreshment of the students. For overall development of individual, all students are encouraged to participate in curricular activities organized by the college. Many students are placed in different companies such as
मैं हर्षित सक्सेना B.Pharm थर्ड ईयर का स्टूडेंट हूँ और मैं यहाँ हिमालयन इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ फार्मेसी एंड रिसर्च में थर्ड ईयर का स्टूडेंट हूँ। और कॉलेजों के मुताबिक यहाँ पढ़ाई अच्छी होती है। और एक चीज़ और है यहाँ कि यहाँ के जो हमारे फैकल्टी मेंबर हैं, हमारे सारे टीचर्स हैं, वो उनका व्यवहार, वो उनका पढ़ाने का ढंग वो और कॉलेजों से